Hi guys, so I'm back. I've been gone for a while and I've actually been on vacation, and I will be returning back to work tomorrow, and I'm just trying to get myself back into the swing of it. Already moisturized my lips. Sorry, I got the mirrors and stuff right here. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverley Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and also the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade. Okay, and it's in the shade Espresso. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what we're doing today. So before we get started, I hope you guys like and subscribe if you have not. Leave me comments down below. Anything that I use, pretty much, it's going to be in the comment section, in the description box down below. If you have not, like I said, like and subscribe. Become a part of the channel. And there's this new thing now where there's a bell on the side. So right on the side of the subscribe button, there is a bell. If you click that, it will alert you and let you know when I post a new video. So I will be getting back into the swing of things because we have back to school coming up. So also, the kids are going to be going back to school, so I'll be doing some looks for that as well. So as you can see, I'm in my little wrap because I'm natural, I will say. And while I was on vacation, I did not take care of my hair very well because we went to the beach as well, and I didn't wrap it up at night when I went to sleep. So when I woke up, of course, it's got like all the frizzies everywhere, and I had to lay it down last night with some gel, and hopefully it looks good. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, okay, because it's just what it is. All right, so I'm gonna jump right on it. But I just tweezed out the little ones that get in the way, especially that stand out. Boom, 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 boom. Now the other side. So I got closer so that you guys can see my eyebrows. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverley Hills Eyebrow Wiz pencil, and I'm just going to line under. I will say that I'm not the greatest at this, but I do what I can. I pretty much clean it up at the end with the concealer. This is just for me to trace with. As you can see, it's not very good. This is just what works for me. So of course, like naturally everybody, I have one eyebrow that is the freaking bomb, and the other one that is like. So with this is a Wet n Wild, just a angled brush. It's not an eyeshadow brush. I don't really necessarily have one, but this is what I use. This is my Wet n Wild brush, and I use e.l.f. So it didn't come with one, and we're gonna make do. For me, this is always a messy process. Not as dark as the rest. and then I go back and I brush it out. Come to the front and I just brush stroke up a little bit. For this part. See, I'm not the greatest and I'm not the cleanest at this yet. So this is just how I do my eyebrows, like I said. So what I'm doing is I'm just brushing out that harsh line that we traced. So now, what I usually do is I just brush, fix it. So now under here, we're just gonna clean up the under.